Oh, so far it's good here naman kasi yung yung pag-handle nila ng case kay Duterte is with restrictions. So hindi siya easily accessible for all the people. So you need, yeah, legal papers to go, or your immediate family, then you can go. But as of now, it's peaceful, and yeah, people are talking about it, but it's not that, that they are into it. They're still here. People here are still busy going on their labs, but yeah, it's on the news always. But yeah, it's peaceful, it's good, and there's no other than that. Oh, today so far no, because today ongoing siya ngayon this time. I think, yeah, but maybe later we can hear it on the local news here in the Netherlands. So also in the newspaper, and I think maybe tomorrow we will have the final and all the necessary informations about it, because yeah, you will hear everywhere the radios, newspapers and TVs, and I think tomorrow or later we will know every informations about it. Yes, always yan dito. Pero me as a resident here, I don't support any of like both sides, ICC or Duterte's side, but how I see with the Filipinos here who are supporters of former Rodrigo Roa Duterte, they always go there, and I see, because we have like a Facebook group. I see that they are making like, like picnics, and if there are events, and some people from other places like UK, Belgium, and for example France, every part of the world, I think, and mostly Europe. They came here to support him, and how they support him is also good, even though I'm not a supporter, because they gather together, and yeah, I see that it's good when you support someone, because Filipinos are gathering, they make like events about it, and they make, it's simple. Sometimes it's also good because you can feel like you're with somebody and it's the same nationality as you. Yes, hindi mawawala yan, at meron din mga other nationalities na nagpo-protest against and supporting him, because yeah, it's like that. If somebody is in that situation, people will support and people will also deny it. Like, it's a part of it, and there's always, especially nung una, may mga protesters doon. Also Filipinos, wag siyang ikulong, wag siyang ganyan. So there's still, but it's in a peaceful way, and it's also controlled by the Netherlanders, like the police and everybody, also the guards in the ICC. It's not that you will protest and you will make like a, gulo or something. It's that you can protest, but you cannot do other than that or against the law. So far, yes, I see that, yeah, they are coming, and Kitty, she always also come here to Netherlands, and I see it in the Facebook group that she's coming there, and also when she come, a lot of people also go there. So I think it's, yes, of course, it's a family thing. It's always like that. Oo, sa kanya hindi, pero ang alam ko, makikita ko siguro mamaya sa page kung pupunta siya o hindi, kasi pinopost nila doon ang mga updates ng mga supporters. At nakikita ko siya kasi nga ginoin nila ako, kasi nga yung mga tao dito pwedeng mag-join as long as you're, yeah, maybe for news thing, and for updates. So yes, I think I will see later if she will come here to the Netherlands. Oo, so far 'pag ganyan, 'pag may mga hearing siya na ganyan, nagkakalat po ang mga pulitsi at saka may mga security guards around the area, and it's well secured naman na there's no harm or something that will happen because they maintain it. And I think, because me as a person who resides here, I see that their security is well maintained, because yeah, it's safe. It's not that, yeah, there's crime or something, but it's not really that high that you will think that when you go to certain places it will be like not safe. You will doubt, you have anxiety, but no, here it's good. People can be freely do whatever they want. So when I go there also one time, I see that it's well maintained and secured, so nothing to worry about. And here, the people here just mind their own businesses, so it's not that, you know, not that truly maaano ka ba, yung super worried ka if you go and no. So far, so good.